Installing an M.2 boot adapter and backplane. Install the M.2 boot adapter and make sure it is aligned with the screw holes. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the M.2 boot adapter to the tray. Align the notches of the tray with the guide pins on the node, lower the M.2 boot adapter, and then slide it to one side until the adapter is securely seated in the node. Hook the wire bail on the cable onto the connector, and then connect the cables to the M.2 boot adapter. Insert the M.2 drive into the M.2 slot, and then slide the retainer forward to secure it. Connect all the fan cables to the system board. Install the top cover.